In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a lead capture form in Flodesk. A lead capture form is useful when you want to collect information from people who are interested in your business, such as their name and email address. Flodesk makes it easy to create one and customize it to match your brand. To get started, open Flodesk and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home screen, look at the top menu and click on Forms. If you're selling something and need customers to make a payment, you would use checkouts instead. But if your goal is simply to collect information, Forms is the option you want. Once you're in Forms, click the black New Form button. Flodesk will then show you several templates that you can use. Take a moment to look through the available designs and choose one that is close to the style you want. You'll be able to customize the form afterward. After selecting your template, you'll need to choose a segment for the people who submit the form. You can select an existing segment or create a new one and save it. At the top of the editor, you'll see that the form has two parts, the lead capture form itself and a thank you page. Start by designing the lead capture form. You can click into the different text areas and change the wording to match your business. You can also customize the fields you want to collect. For example, the form can collect an email address, and you can add a first name field as well. If you want the first name to appear before the email address, simply drag the field into the preferred position. You can also change the button text, upload an image, adjust the image size, and customize the colors of the form. These options let you make the form fit your branding and overall design. Once the main form is ready, move to the thank you section at the top. Here, you can customize the message people see after submitting the form. You can also choose to redirect them to another URL after they submit their information. Next, open Settings at the top. Here, you can adjust the available settings, including whether you want subscribers to use double opt-in to confirm their email address. Once everything is set up, click Embed. Flodesk will provide the embed option for your lead capture form, which you can add to the appropriate page of your website. Keep in mind that the Flodesk interface may look slightly different depending on the version you're using, but the main options should be similar. And that's how you can create a lead capture form in Flodesk.